Looking for high-performance blasting power in a compact go-anywhere package? Meet the DB225 Mobile XS. This isn't just a blasting pod, it's a complete purpose-built mobile system designed to tackle any environment no matter how harsh. Under the hood, you're looking at a 110 CFM air compressor powered by a reliable Kubota engine. It delivers ample air supply for your blast pod and pneumatic tools, backed by a 6.5-gallon diesel tank and a rock-solid 2-year warranty. The 2 cubic foot blast pod gives you 30 minutes of continuous blast time per fill, operating between 30 and 150 psi. Whether you're wet blasting, dry blasting, or soda blasting, the included mini XS air dryer ensures your air is cool, dry, and free of contaminants for a perfect finish every time. It's all mounted on a heavy-duty trailer with a 3,500-pound torsion axle and DOT-compliant LED lights. We've even included a 100-foot blast hose and a 48 GPM water pump to keep you independent of job site water availability. Total weight, just over 2,200 pounds, fully loaded. The DB225 Mobile XS, maximum mobility, professional power, manufactured right here in Houston, Texas. Upgrade your fleet today.